In this video, we will show you how to disable IPN on PayPal. To disable IPN or instant payment notifications, you can just click your profile and select account settings. After that, you can scroll down and select product and services and choose website payments. In here, you can select the instant payment notification. Okay, you can see. You can click update here. Okay, you can see my IPN is enabled. You can turn off the IPN and select confirm. Okay, now you can back to your profile. And if you see again on your website payments and select instant payment, your IPN has been disabled. That's all tutorial how to disable IPN on PayPal. Thanks for watching.